Hi, my name is Natalia and I'm here at the wonderful Courtyard Playhouse. I've participated, I've just finished my second improv course. I started with Don't Panic, now it was all about technique, and I absolutely loved it. Why? Because I wanted to gift myself with the experience of finally allowing myself to be utterly creative, to tap into my playfulness and to get out of my mind, to get out of my own way. It really allowed us to act like kids again, to be creative, to be wild, to be free, to be silly, to do things that we usually wouldn't do in everyday life. So I really enjoyed it, learned a lot about myself and my own insecurities, my blocks, overcame them, and now use everything that I've accumulated or learned in my private life and in my business life. So if you have the feeling that you don't fully express yourself yet, if you want to learn more about the art of being playful again, then I highly recommend you check this place out.